Welcome back to our sweet journey through history. Today we are diving into the delectable world of Charlotte cake. Get ready for a mouth-watering experience. Charlotte cake, also known as Charlotte Russe, is a dessert fit for royalty. But do you know where it came from? Its origin traces back to 18th century Europe, where it was named after Queen Charlotte of Britain. This regal dessert quickly spread across the continent, becoming a favorite at royal banquets and high society gatherings. The earliest known recipe for Charlotte cake can be found in an 1808 cookbook where it was described as a delicate and elegant dessert. The classic Charlotte cake consists of a sponge cake or lady fingers surrounded by a ring of creamy flavored mousse or custard. Over the years, countless variations have emerged, featuring fruits, chocolates, and even coffee flavors. Today, Charlotte cake remains a beloved treat enjoyed worldwide, showcasing the artistry of bakers and the rich history behind each bite. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.